After this much praying, it's time for me to reflect on my life by taking in some nature. Our next stop is going to be an hour drive away and remote. But before you buckle up, make sure you bring a nice hiking boot and lots of energies. But I got you covered. The best deal are Asian buffets that charge by the plate. Oh yeah, look like I just built myself an Egyptian pyramid. I like to get bang for my buck, so this place is like $7.95. How it works is you can fill up to your plate as much as you want. It also comes with a fruit or ice cream or a coffee. So as you can see, I spare no room. I'm going to see how good their Chinese food is, because you know what? My standard for Chinese food is insanely high since I am Chinese. With that being said, wish me luck. Bon appetit, everyone. Overall, the food is pretty good, but before leaving, I'm giving my new friends some advice on how to build their eatable Eiffel Tower. Okay, here's a strategy, guys. You have to listen to it. Anything to do with rice, you put a little bit because it fills you up. Get the expensive stuff. So what you did the right thing is get the rolls with a fish in it, right? Yeah. But I would just say like get more protein. The first clue you are close to nature is when you see a white angel dancing. Just kidding. When you see a picturesque Cavado River, you are certainly on the right path. There's many scenic viewpoints along the way, and you got my complete blessing to stop and enjoy the view, or enjoy many of the water activities like canoe, paddleboard, and canoe again, all for 6 to 12 euros per hour. We are about 7 kilometers away from the national park, and I just found this vantage point and there's a parking, so I say why not? Hey, petrols ain't cheap here. I might as well enjoy as much as I can, right? But check this out, it's gorgeous.
Route 205 to 5, then your destination will be on the left.
The Peneda-Geres National Park is a hidden gem. Due to its remote location and almost only accessible by car, public buses are few and far in between the park. This is the off-the-beaten-path attraction that is classified as UNESCO Biosphere Reserve and covers 4 mountain ranges and up to the northern border with Spain. With over 700 square kilometers of protected land with stunning mountain trails and historic villages such as Geres. Today you can swim in the lagoons. There are many of them among the mountain ranges. But I'm here to conquer the best hiking trails in all Portugal. So let's park and get started.
Your destination is on the right.
Look at the mist, it's crazy, like misty, yes. And there is a trail right there, you see that? There's a lot of trails here, but I picked one of the easier to get to and shorter ones, since I wish I had more time, but I don't. What that being said, yeah. Leading up, let's go. Definitely get some good workout today. The park features 4 amazing hiking trails, fit for hikers of all physical conditions, the shortest being 3.2 kilometers and the longest being 9. Regardless which one you choose, most likely you'll see many waterfalls, valleys, ponds, and lagoons for you to undress and jump in. First thing, GPS watch. Number 2, get a home point where you started so you can always backtrack, right? And also make sure you always stay on the trail. And because, you know, like, I'm being honest, because this is such a big park, you could easily get lost. And this is actually, they call it the well-marked trail, but as you can see, it's not exactly. Occasionally you see like the little signs here, but like I said, safety comes first. Visibility is very, very, very low, and as well as the steep and twisting and narrow road. I strongly recommend you absolutely pay attention to the road and go slow, slow, slow. I really absolutely mean it. Since there's no parking here, I can only stay for like maybe a minute or so to show you one of the first, or maybe the only waterfall we'll be seeing, because it's getting a little bit late. We need to go somewhere else. With that being said, let's get going. The earliest signs of habitation are from 6000 BC, as evident by the Neolithic tombs that dotted the landscape. The Roman roads, bridges, and milestone markers shows visitors the once Roman influence and from the 12th century onwards. But keep your eyes out for many native species call this park home, including roe deer, the symbol of the park or its predator, the Iberian wolf. But it wasn't my day. I guess they are all hibernating during the winter. However, at least we conquered the national park, so let's find some local wines to toast. I'm being serious. This is not like the wine region of Portugal that produce most of the famous wines or historical wines, but I thought it might be interesting to check out wines that are produced in this region near the national park. So I came completely unannounced, so I'm not too sure if I will be welcome. The national park is included in the small wine region of Vinho Verde, located in the Portugal's north. Originally designated in 1908, the name means green wine, but translates into young wine, with the wine being released 3 to 6 months after the grapes are harvested. The majority of the wine classified as Vinho Verde are white, but the region is known for the production of red and rosé wine. The famous white wine is usually very fresh due to its natural acidity and normally consumed right after bottling. If you're a wine lover, come during the season as many of the vineyards offer wine tours and tasting. So, cheers everyone, enjoy responsibly and don't drink and drive. I'm going to lead by example on this one. It's quite interesting the fact that I'm actually walking inside the vineyard. If this was the grape season, I would be surrounded by basically grapes and get free samples. Maybe not, I have to work for it. I wish they were open, honestly, so I can get some samples. Maybe